Good morning, students. We have finished 5 problems in exercise 5.1. Now let's take problem 6th problem. Just read the question here. I request you to open your textbooks. In the given figure, angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary angles. If angle 1 is decreased, what changes should take place in angle 2 so that both the angles still remain supplementary? Now here they have given, this is 6th problem. Here 1, this is 2. So here they are telling what 1 and 2 are supplementary angles. Supplementary angles means what? 180 degree. So when you add this both, it will be 180 degrees. Yeah. Now they are asking, if angle 1 is decreased, what changes should take place in angle 2 so that both the angles still remain supplementary? If angle 1 is decreased also, and if 2, then both angles still remain supplementary. Now suppose I am taking here solution. Let's take example. Now I am going to take angle 1 is equal to 100 degree. Then angle 2 is equal to 80 degree. Yeah. Then 100 plus 80 how much? 180. It is supplementary angle. Now they are telling angle 1 is to be decreased. Now suppose angle 1, now suppose I took 100. Now here decrease means what? Taking less than 100. I am taking 60. Angle 1 is equal to 60 degree. Then here angle 2 is equal to, now 60 means, here angle 82 is 80 means, here I have to increase the number. Because why? Now here I have taken only angle 1 is equal to 60 degree. Now I have to get both. When we add, you have to get 180. Yeah. So now I am taking here 120. Here you see, when angle 1 is equal to 100 means, here when I am taking, I have taken 2 is equal to 80. When we take here increased, here number is decreasing. Here now you see 1 is equal to 60. Here 2 is increasing. Now suppose here you see angle 1 is equal to, now I am taking 40 degrees. Angle 2 is equal to, now 40, when you add with 140 only you will get 180. Because 180 why we are taking supplementary. So here 140. See here 120 is there. Now here 140 is increased. So now for this problem what we will tell, if they are asking if 1 is decreased, what changes should take place in angle 2 so that both the angles still remain supplementary. So therefore our answer can be angle 2 should be increasing. So this answer is simple. Now I have shown you with examples here. You see, when we are taking angle 1 is equal to 100, angle 2, because it is supplementary. Supplementary means when both angles are added, you should get 180 degree. So here when we take 100, here I took 80. Now suppose 1 is decreasing, then 2 will be increasing. 1 is decreasing, 2 is increasing. So therefore angle 2 should be increasing. This is the solution for 6th problem. Now 7th one you see. Can two acute angles be supplementary if both of them are acute, obtuse, right? Yesterday I have already given you the definitions. What do you mean by acute angle? What do you mean by obtuse angle? What do you mean by right angle? Acute angle means what? It should be less than 90 degrees. Obtuse means greater than 90 but less than 180. Right angle means it should be 90 degrees. So now let's see. Can two angles be supplementary if both of them are acute angle? Now acute angle means, acute angle means what? Less than 90 degrees. Yeah. If you take, now they are asking, can two angles be supplementary? Supplementary means what, students? It should be 180 degree. 180 degree. So now acute angle means less than 90 degree. Now less than 90 degrees means we will take 89. 89 degree plus 89 degree. That is equal to how much? 89 plus 89 how much? 178. So 178 you have to get 180. So two angles, can two angles be supplementary if both of them are acute? No. So answer is no. So now second one you see, obtuse angle. For obtuse you try. Obtuse angle. Obtuse angles means what? It should be greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degree. Now greater than 90 it is given, less than 180. Now greater than 90 means we will take 91 degree plus 91 degree. 91 plus 91 what? 182. But it should be 180 degree only supplementary. 182 is greater. So now with obtuse angle also answer is no. Solution is no. Afterwards now we will try with 3 right angle. Now they are asking with right angle. So now right angle means what? Right angle means it should be 90 degrees.